Hello everybody, it's me, Code Tucker Looter, signing in for another episode of this, starting out with Python, part number 9. We reached the third exercise from chapter 4, and now we're going into the for loop count, as you can see. So, without further ado, guys, let's get into the book. The for loop count. The for loop, a count control loop. A count control loop iterates a specific number of times. In Python, you use the for statement to write a count control loop. As mentioned at the beginning of this chapter, a count control loop iterates a specific number of times. Count control loops are commonly used in programs. For example, suppose a business is open 6 days per week and you are going to write a program that calculates the total sales for a week. You will need a loop that iterates exactly 6 times. Each time the loop iterates, it will prompt the user to enter the sales for 1 day. You use the for statement to write a count control loop. In Python, the for statement is designed to work with a sequence of data items. When the statement executes, it iterates once for each item in the sequence. Here is the general format. For variable in value statement, etc. So let's get going into the next exercise, because we already know how this statement works. Alright, so for this we are going to do our daily routine of program for .py. There we go. And the program number is going to be simple loop 1. So I'm imagining there are going to be another exercises with the same number, with the same name. So this program demonstrates a simple for loop that uses a list of numbers. Print. I will display the numbers 1 through, I will display the numbers 1 through 5. Let's put a period in. So now we got for num in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print num. We just save and click the run button, and that's how it is, basically. So the first time the for loop iterates, the num variable is assigned the value of 1, and then the statement in line 6 executes the value 1. The next time the loop iterates, num is assigned to value 2, and 3, and 4, and so on. Basically, this is the for loop progression, or like function, basically. How it works. Okay, so we have 4. Okay, so let's close this now. Program for 5.py. Okay, so it's called simple loop 2.py loop. This program also demonstrates the simple for loop that uses a list of numbers. Print. I will display the odd numbers 1 through 9. For num in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is very simple. Print No. Click on, you guessed it, it's gonna be just like that. Oh wow. So I clear this out and then run it again so you can see it. It's okay. Program 6. I'm gonna do simple loop 3.py. This program also demonstrates a simple for loop that uses a list of strings. For name in Vinken, what else? Blinken, and nod. We print name. Save, and we Vinken, Blinken, nod. Awesome. So, using the range function with the for loop, Python provides a built-in function named range that simplifies the process of writing a count control for loop. The range function creates a type of object known as an iterable. An iterable is an object that is similar to a list. It contains a sequence of values that can be iterated over with something like a loop. Here's an example of a for loop that uses the range function. For a num in range 5, print num. So let's get going with the exercise number 7. Alright, so we're going with the name simple loop 4.py, and it's going to be this program demonstrates how the range function can be used with a for loop. Print a message 5 times. For x in range 5, print hello world. We clear, we save, we run. And as you can see here, hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Would you love to see it, huh? You love to see that. Here we have, using the target variable inside the loop. In a for loop, the purpose of the target variable is to reference each item in a sequence of items as the loop iterates. In many situations, it is helpful to use the target variable in a calculation or other task within the body of the loop. For example, suppose you need to write a program that displays the number 1 through 10 and the respective squares in a table similar to the following. Okay. This can be accomplished by writing a for loop that iterates over the values 1 through 10. During the first iteration, the target variable will be assigned the value 1. During the second iteration, it will be assigned the value 2, and so forth. Because the target variable will reference the values 1 through 10 during the loop's execution, you can use it in the calculation inside the loop. Program 4.8 shows how this is done. Let's go. So we are going for the program 4-8.py. The name is called squares.py. This program uses a loop to display a table showing the numbers 1 through 10 and their squares. Print the table headings. It's called print number t square. Print I think there's too many. Perfect. Print the numbers 1 through 10. And their squares. For number in range 1 through 11, square one number. Still, I believe that's power of 2, I guess. Print. Print number square. Wait a minute. This must be backward slash. There we go. U square Ah. There we go. Oh my gosh, what's happening here? Square. There we go. Thank you. We clear, we save again, and we run. There you go. Okay, so we're going with the program number 9. Pi, and it's called speed converter.py. So this program converts the speeds 60 kilometers per hour to miles per hour. Start speed 60. This is the starting speed variable. Oh my gosh, thank you. And speed 131. Ending speed, we have increment, which is equals to 10. Speed increment, conversion factor 0.6214, which is the conversion factor variable. There we go. Here we have print the table headings. Print kph / t mph h. Print we have here print the speeds. For kph in range, start speed, end speed, increment, increment, I think needs one over here, right? mph equals kph times conversion factor, print kph, oh sorry, format mph point 1f. We save, we clear, we save again just in case, and we print. And that's it, how it is. 60 kilometers per hour is 37 miles, 0.3, 70 miles, 43, blah, 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 162 miles per hour. Looking cool, huh? Now let's get into the program number 10. So many programs here, huh? For 10.py. This program uses a loop to display. Oh, what am I doing? All that. The program name is called user squares.1.py. Squares1.py. So this program uses a loop to display a table of numbers and their squares. Get the ending limit. Print. This program displays a list of numbers. Print starting at 1 and their squares. The fuck? And equals to integer input. How high should I go? Question mark. Print the table headings. Print number square. Print print the numbers and their squares for number in range 1 and and plus 1 square equals number power of 2 or square of 2 power square, you know what I mean, number, and then we go for t square, and we save, we run. Hold on a minute. Let's clear, let's maximize this, and then let's run it again. So how high should I go? Let's do it like a really high number. 144. Whoa! That was pretty fast. I was impressed. 112439465 all the way up until 144, which is 20,736. There you go. Wow. Whoa. Let's go with the next one, shall we? That will be the last one, the program number 11. Program 411.py. This program, oh my gosh, the name! User squares to, okay, and next squares, okay. This program uses a loop to display a table of numbers and their squares. Get the starting value. This program displays a list of numbers, right? Print and their squares. Start equals integer input. Again, enter the starting number. Here's our number. Get the ending limit. End equals integer input. How high should I go? How high should I go? We go print the table. So I go print again. Oh, not this one. Print again. Print number /t square print go for print the numbers and their squares for numbers in range start and plus 1 square equals number, for numbers, let's put, okay, numbers, rename symbol as number. There we go, easy peasy. Number square, print number slash comma square. Okay, so we save, we enlarge this, and then we run. Enter the starting number. Starting number will be 2. Okay. Enter. How high should I go? Let's go until 7. Go 2, 4, 3, 9, blah, blah, 7. Let's go. That's freaking cool. I actually like this. Very cool, isn't it, guys? Very, very cool. And with that, we did a lot of exercises here. There's a bunch of, I think we did like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 exercises in 26 minutes. That's a lot of exercises, actually. And that means that you guys have a lot of examples in order to apply these methods and functions in other exercises with different meanings. So, for example, you want to do, I don't know, finally a very well-defined temperature converter, or something like that. It's very helpful to make other exercises that, like different exercises that you can apply what you learned. So yeah, guys, if you like this content, click like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Okay, remember, tomorrow's gonna be C#, on Wednesday is gonna be JavaScript, and on Thursday is gonna be, at the moment of this uploading this video, it's gonna be on Thursday, the second chapter of the second chapter of the game design course. So that'll be super fun. We are reading a book from PactPath, and I think it's gonna be super good. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.